Really great deals. They also have this cute little slip and slide, and that is at $10 as well. So really great water fun. They have this backpack water shooter, and that can go on the kid back, and they can shoot the water from in there for $5. So a lot of fun items for the children as well. You definitely don't want to miss out on those. This is so cool. I remember this from when I was a kid. $5, I believe. Yep. These little catch toes. You put your hand in here and you throw the ball and catch the ball. Those are super, super cool. I think I'm going to get one of those for me, my kiddo. Brought back some memories there. Yeah, so definitely don't miss out on these gems, guys. Family Dollar has some really great items right now for the summer, getting our kids ready for some summer fun and getting the adults ready for some summer partying. All right, guys, they also have the folding chairs